glow effect in CapCut. So first add your clip, then you'd want to duplicate your clip and set this clip as overlay. Now after you've set this clip as the overlay, align it and then set the splice option to filter. So in setting the splice option to filter, it will give it a pop to the overall footage. So select filter. Then what you'd want to do is to click on the overlay clip and adjust the saturation and exposure. So you need to set the saturation to 50 and set the exposure to around 15. Alright, so after you've done that, you need to add the effect on the basic glow, edge glow, and add that to the overlay clip by selecting object and selecting overlay, and that would basically align it to the overlay clip. The next step would be to select the overlay clip and use the chroma key and highlight the dark areas or the areas which you would not want to be showing up or glowing in the final footage. Now it set the intensity to around 50 and set the shadow to 100. Now if you wanted to create a flicker effect, you'd add a bunch of keyframes and alternate between the filter and reduce the intensity to 70 between each alternating keyframe. And that's basically how you go about doing the glow effect in CapCut. Quite easy and fast. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on the video and a comment would be appreciated. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.